Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Quick heads up, if you are still trading meme coins in 2026, bro, this video might change everything on how you see the meme coin game. I do not trade meme coins, I just dev meme coins and launch them over and over again, and I make hundreds of thousands of dollars. I am making this video because I will show you guys exactly why deving meme coins is way more lucrative than trading, and I will even do a live example in today's video, bro. And by the way, bro, in the past 2 years I've made over $8 million all from deving meme coins. That's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how it's done. A lot of people in this space lose a lot of fucking money because they lack knowledge. All they do is trade meme coins every single day. They scan, they buy coins, only to get completely dumped on by the dev right after they buy in. Now this right here is called a pump and dump. And believe it or not, bro, the people who benefit from this scheme is the fucking devs. That's exactly why me and most KOLs are shifting to deving, because honestly, bro, it's lower risk and is high fucking rewarding. It's way better than trading. You guys will see why. Because when you trade meme coins, bro, your money ends up in the hands of the creators. You buy, and that money goes into the pockets of the devs. But when you launch your own coins instead, on the other hand, bro, well, it's your coin and you can do whatever you want with it, okay? You can wait for buyers naturally and then cash out and then launch other narrative coins at the same time or right after. And the process of launching a coin on chain is really fucking simple, okay? It's easier to do it than to say it. You create a coin, you wait for buyers, and when the market cap is high, bang, you dump it and you rinse and repeat this, right? And the reason why it's so lucrative, it's because creating coins on chain costs nothing. Like I said, low risk, high reward, and that's exactly how I built my entire crypto portfolio from fucking start to finish. So keep watching, because I will do a quick example into this video on how to make a meme coin, how to launch it, how to potentially profit from it, all into this video without selling any course. I am fully transparent, bro. Let's get right into it. This video was made for educational purposes only. Do not copy me, it's all fake. I am not a financial advisor. Cap! Now when someone starts deving meme coins and they want to launch a meme coin, the platform they almost always consider first is Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know what Pump.Fun is, but the reason why you do not want to be launching coins here is because Pump.Fun is completely clogged. New tokens are pushed out non-stop, and most of these coins die out within minutes. So if you're still launching there, bro, you are just wasting your time and you are not really building anything. And there's a bigger catch. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a percentage of the creator fees on every single coin. That means you do not truly own your launch from the start. Now, as a dev, the real objective is getting your token in front of the random decks where thousands of people are waiting to buy your coin. Now, on Pump.Fun, bro, obviously reaching that point takes too long and would depend way too much on chance. That's why I would recommend to use Create Meme.io, and you will get an edge over every single other dev. And also, bro, your meme coin will get a lot of fucking transactions, a lot of volume, and a bunch of people are going to see your coin right here, and you could potentially convert them into actual traders in your meme coin. And by the way, bro, you keep full control over your liquidity. That's why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping this launchpad. But anyways, you have two different ways to make a meme coin on Create Meme.io, bro. The first way is to make a whole new coin from scratch by putting a name, symbol, and image. It's pretty simple, right? You go on X, you go on TikTok, go somewhere, right, and look for a narrative to make a meme coin out of. As you guys may know, bro, Penguin went absolutely viral, and that was a TikTok trend. That could be good for a narrative. But yeah, bro, any tweet, any meme, just anything, right? Once you have that narrative, create a name, create a symbol, add a quick logo, and just like that, your meme coin is live. But the second method is what I personally use every single day. and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now all these coins on this list are all going viral right now on Pump.Fun, which means they all have a good narrative, and the whole point of copying coins is to copy coins that are already working. By copying these coins, you are relaunching the coins onto the random decks, and you are griffing a bunch of fucking buys on your new copy, and you can just rinse and repeat that method with a bunch of viral coins that are already existing. Now some people like to call this method vamping. You can call it whatever you want, but I will do a quick example. Okay, now it's time to actually deploy a token in today's video and see how much we can make in profit. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected just like this. Boom, it's that simple. Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. Just go for something right and try it out. I'm gonna copy the which one should I go for? I'm gonna copy the soul guy right here. Okay, you know, you can go for anything. I'm gonna go for this one. Why not? Click on copy to Iridium. Wait for Phantom wallet to pop up. Right? Ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Every single launchpad at the beginning for the first time will give you this block. It's completely fucking normal. Click on proceed, confirm, and understand. Then click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied onto Iridium, onto the blockchain. Should be minted. Bang. Now before we create the liquidity pool, if you click on view on source scan, you guys can see that it's minted on chain. Okay, it's live. The coin is actually fucking like created, right? It works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is really fucking important because we are creating the random liquidity pool. Okay, so you will be putting your supply into your coin, and then people will be able to buy your supply, right? And you take a fee from them, and that's how you make money as a dev. Okay, also you make money from the supply that you own. Now token A, click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens. Token B right under is where you buy in your own coin and you get the first transaction in. I like to go for anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 SOL. 0.3 is the minimum. And by the way, bro, you are getting this back later when you remove the liquidity. Okay, so you don't have anything to lose, right? Because you are the dev, you are the creator of your own coin, so you will get it back later. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. Should take a couple seconds. Boom, ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, and understand. Confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the coin is live. Okay, everything is here, everything is working. Now if you want to check your profits whenever you want, you will see them right here. And if you click on the refresh button right here, you can see that our profits went up. Okay, people are seeing our coin on the random decks in the migrate section, and they are buying in. That's the whole point of deploying coins, for people to see it and buy it. And now we're up $100. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full fucking screen real quick. It should come in any second. Boom, it came in, but the chart should load in soon. Okay, the chart loaded up. As you guys can see, okay, we're up like $130, 150 I think. The chart looks kind of weird, but don't worry about it, bro. The more time your coin is deployed, the more people will see your coin, and the more they will buy in. Okay, right now, bro, thousands of people are seeing our coin, and a lot of people are actually converting. $71, $44.20. Things are looking good, bro. Just fucking let your coin marinate, let that coin pick up volume. Boom, $200 right here, bro. Someone sold for 70. That's not bad. We're at the 1.8k market cap. Bro, I love deving, bro. We created this coin for completely free, okay, $0, and now people are buying our coin and they're actually transactioning with our coin, bro. This is why I love deving, and I highly recommend you guys to try deving after this video. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up and down. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and I'm gonna be right back and then dump it. Alright guys, I am back and the coin is really consolidating. There's a lot of fucking action, and I think we farmed a lot of creator fees and our supply went higher, so now it's time to cash out our profits. Come back to create meme.io, and then obviously bro, click on refresh. And bang, okay, we are up $1.9 thousand, which is not too shabby, right? After like 10 minutes of work. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up. When it pops up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish, bro. We made a cool 2k in around 20 minutes. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Sometimes you're going to make 100, sometimes 50, sometimes 10,000, sometimes 2,000. You never know, okay? It's all for educational purposes only, but make sure you stay consistent. Do not give up on the first launch. Launch 2 to 5 coins to see your max, to see if you know you like it. Now if I open my wallet, bang, wait, what? Okay, boom, we received the money, bro. $2,000 went straight inside our Phantom wallet. Even though Solana is really fucking low right now, we still printed a decent amount of cob. Now obviously bro, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. Go try it out. Good luck.